Hi everyone, this is Raj Kumar. In this video, we'll see about the concept called metaverse. In this video, we'll see this series is going through technical terms, the metaverse, implementations, technology, and especially the Facebook launched the official video about the meta criticisms and concerns they are facing and references. So the technical terms are like meta. Meta is a Greek word which means beyond, and verse means universe or world. So metaverse is a universe in which you can do whatever you want beyond your thinking. So these two terms AR and VR are like augmented reality and virtual reality. Sometimes people get confused. So simplistic difference is if you are using, let's say you want to play any game which is virtually supported. So to feel that game, you need to wear some special gadgets called VR headset. So this is virtual reality. In augmented reality, you just create a either you can create a 3D object, or you can just, if you want to use that virtual augmented reality, you can use it by simply your phone also. So this is a augmented reality. And this is a metaverse. Metaverse is a hypothesized iterations of the internet supporting persistent online 3D virtual environments through conventional personal computing as well as augmented reality headsets. Aspects of the metaverse have been already implemented in virtual world platforms such as Second Life. Some iterations of the metaverse involve integrations between virtual and physical space and virtual economies. Current metaverse development is centered on addressing the technology limitations with virtual and augmented reality devices. The term metaverse has its origin in 1992 since science fiction novel Snow Crash's portmanteau of meta and universe. It has since gained notoriety as a buzzword for promotion and as a way to generate hype for public relations purpose for making vague claims for future projects. Information, privacy, and users' addictions are concerns with the metaverse stemming from challenges facing the social media and video game industry as a whole. So, uh, the concept about metaverse, what Facebook is planning to, in some of the video games and in virtual reality games, they try to implement the concept. Like most in some of the games, avatars are playing in from your side. So these are the basic implementations, examples of implementations. Facebook is planning to an advanced level of these all. So the metaverse is a proposed expansion to existing internet technology. Access points for the metaverse include general purpose computers and smartphones, in addition to augmented reality, mixed reality, virtual reality, and virtual world technologies. Businesses and commercial interest in metaverse related research and technology include Facebook, which bought VR company Oculus in 2014 and has announced plan to build a 3D social space to connect varying services. The metaverse dependency on VR technology places limitations on its development and wide-scale adoption. Limitations stemming from a balance between cost and design include the lack of high-quality graphics and a lack of mobility. Lightweight wireless headset lack image quality, which is optimized for bulky, weird, wired VR goggle systems. Another issue for wide-scale adoption of this technology is cost. In 2021, the South Korean government announced the creation of National Metaverse Alliance with a goal to build unified national VR and AR platforms. So our main focus is on that launch video, which Mark Zuckerberg said, explain about all things for their company, parent company, Meta. So initially they have said they changed their parent company name with the Meta. The concept of for the metaverse is like you can interact with all peoples you want to interact with, and even you can feel the presence of their own. And they try to implement it in all fields from working culture, playing, tracking, playing with their friends. So they can do all these activities and even they can feel it by using some supportable gadgets. So privacy and safety, about privacy and safety, they have said like he said, privacy and safety is at most priority. And if anyone want to be secure, just like using a Facebook account, you can make your account private. No one other can see your personal details. So similar kind of thing they are planning for to implement for the Meta. So privacy and safety is at a high priority according to him. And they have he said simply, he introduced the concept of horizon home. In horizon home you can say that let's say if you want to design your home according to your will, you can design in this Meta. And initially they have created lots of horizon home, but in future you can design according to your wish and work in metaverse. He said like you can work from home, but let's say in this pandemic most of the company employees are working from home. So similar kind of things have been introduced by using some VR headset and supportable gadgets and internet and other whatever the technical and technological devices will be required. You can simply interact with your colleagues, and colleagues will uh, make let's say colleagues will also feel your presence also. So this is the concept they are working on. So they said like developer fees and services they want to keep as nominal as, because their targeted audience is everyone, so they want to Meta can be accessible by everyone. So they said he will try to make their fees as low as possible. So they have introduced three other technical things also: presence platform, project Cambria, and Nazare glasses. Nazare glasses is a simply a glasses which is according to him 5 mm, and which is capable of making you feel this all whatever I have said just now. And project Cambria is simply is a avatar, and it is capable of depicting your uh, in whatever you are in reality. Let's say your skin tone, hairstyle, walking style, playing, and uh, let's say everything whatever do you in reality, your avatar is as similar to as you are in reality. And another thing is presence platform. Presence platform is like when you hold a pen or a glass, you feel the presence of that object. Similar kind of thing is trying to implement in Meta with the concept called presence platform. So every team is working on, and even he said we are inviting different researchers from different background so that our Meta project will be successful and helpful for everyone. So this, apart from this all research and trying will, some criticism and concerns are also facing. uh, Facebook is also facing some. These are like information privacy, user addictions, problematic social media use, internet addiction disorder. Even in 2021, Elon Musk said he couldn't see a compelling use case of VR driven metaverse. You can read these all criticism and concerns by pausing this video. So these are the references which we required for covering this. So for thank you for everyone watching this video, and keep supporting us, keep liking us, keep subscribing us. Once again, thanks everyone.